Hello everyone, this is a very hot afternoon. It has been like this for the past couple of days. Do you see the clouds? Because it is going to rain pretty soon. Almost like within an hour. That is why it is extremely hot. I can feel my skin is burning. It is that hot. I will show you around. I just came here to take the dried clothes, but the sky is really dark. I will show you around without talking much. Hello. That mountain is covered with the mist. That means it is raining out there. Hello. Do you see? Also, it is very windy, which means the rainstorm is coming pretty close.